Battlefield 4 funny montage number 2. Wait, Apple, get off of me! Get off! What the?
Objective Delta has been neutralized. There appears to be an enemy boat located north of your pod.
How even? How even? Heard he needed some assistance. Here I come. Oh. What do you mean failed flying test? I could never. I am the greatest pilot. I would never fail my test. What are you talking about? We're going down. You ain't got nothing on me. Here comes my rescue, yeah! Oh. Escape! Never mind. Oh boy, Mission Impossible. Da-na-na. Na-na-na. Na-na. Are you ready for this, Apple? We're going in. Oh, let's go. Oh! Oh, that was close. Lay low. Just lay low. I think they might have found us. Okay, squad. What's the game plan? What are we gonna do here? I think they might be coming. Let's throw that. Squad, what's the plan? Apple, what you got? Autumn, what you got? Oh goodness! Escape! Ah, a helo, jump! That was close. Apple, go, they're onto us. Just stay out of the river, for God's sake. Okay, go into it, and or go up there. Just keep driving, okay? Okay, or you could leave me behind. Sure, why not? I will never abandon you, helicopter. Me and you till the end of time. No, you and me are like mac and cheese. We can never be separated. Just hold tight. I'm sorry, I gotta go. Escaped. My helicopter! I'm coming! Or not. That's always a possibility too. Guys, we gotta go. Autumn, please don't shoot me with that tank. It'll end very badly for me. And we gotta get out of here. They're gonna find us. I swear. They're gonna find us. And Autumn, you really just had to get in my way, didn't you? Move it. Or I'll go out here. You know, that tries to work. But Autumn, get. I can't fit through there. Autumn, go! Or we'll squeeze through at the same time. That always works. I mean, we're not too fat at all. Oh, now I'm alone. Forever. Hey everybody, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not. Puneberg Games, obviously, you're watching the video. And I'll see you guys all in the next montage. Bye-bye. It's still going. So, I will talk to you for a bit longer. I mean, I know you don't want to listen to me ramble and ramble, but Five Nights at Freddy's should be coming soon. Yeah.